Okay, I'm gonna perform a quick vacuum video. Got my tandems all the way back too. Steering wheel all the way forward. Get as tight as you can on this side. So right now, see, look at that room. I don't have that much room that way. So then I normally count 3, so then it looks like I'm gonna have to go further out. So I just keep going further out. I say about 7 containers, trailers. Then what I do is I turn right to 3 o'clock, then left to 12 o'clock. That's basically what you want to see. Stop back again. 2 spots, but I'm gonna get as tight as I can to the one next to it. Make room. Basically what I'm doing, I'm opening the gap, close the gap, open the gap. That's basically what I do. You can pull forward as many times as you want. So that's the basic. You can see me doing it. It's okay to pull forward. I pull forward and straighten out. And yes, my tandems are all the way back. I caught the red one and I just hit reverse a little bit. So the kingpin will loosen out of the kingpin lock. Pop my brakes and then I'll show you. It doesn't matter the size of the, sometimes these spots are bigger, but I was hoping to have a trailer here, but that's all I got for now. You know, they gave me this spot, so all my tandems are all the way back. So then what I normally do, I always count 3. So when I count 3 trailers, I count 3. So basically what I do is I count 1, 2, 3, and then I go to 3 o'clock and then 12 o'clock. But because it's tight, I'll just count like 7 trailers. Then I come right back in, all back in. That's basically what I do. All right. So the further out you go, it's even better. But when it's tight, you can't just count 3 trailers and then go, because it's gonna be tight. So what you do is you go further out. You go further out. Count 3, 7 trailers, and then you start backing in. You know, because what you want to do is you want to go wide, and then when you come in, you want to start closing in your trailer. Okay? But you might get lucky to find 2 spots. But sometimes you might not get lucky. I was expecting 1 spot, but that's okay. Just giving you an idea. So if it's tighter, you got to go wider. If it's wider, then you got to go tighter. You understand what I'm saying? That's basically what it is. All right, my peoples?